Avatar. Fire and Ash pushes the boundaries of filmmaking and delivers performances that truly stand out. During the shoot, a few surprising moments happened on set. We'll reveal those at the end of the video, so make sure you watch all the way through. Welcome to Multiverse Triangle. James Cameron picked the title Avatar, Fire and Ash with purpose. Fire symbolizes rage and hatred, while Ash represents what remains after destruction, grief, loss, and the scars left behind. Those themes run throughout the film, both in the story and in the visuals. Now, let's go behind the scenes. This movie was shot in true stereoscopic 3D for both live-action footage and fully computer-generated sequences. For live-action scenes, that means the filmmakers didn't rely on fake depth in post. They captured real, binocular 3D by using two cameras to mimic human eyes. But it's not as simple as putting two cameras next to each other. As a rig moves closer to an actor, the distance between the lenses, the interaxial, and the camera convergence need to change dynamically so the image reads naturally in depth. If those values aren't adjusted properly, the scene can look flat or cause viewer discomfort. To manage that, production used precision 3D camera rigs and motion control systems that let technicians tweak interaxial spacing and convergence while the cameras move. The crew also planned shots with a depth budget in mind, deciding how much parallax each shot can safely show, and matched on-set choices with post-production fine-tuning so the stereo effect stays comfortable and cinematic. Now that you know how the 3D magic works, stay tuned. At the end of the video, we'll share the on-set moments that surprised everyone and made this production unforgettable. For Varang, Una Chaplin's biggest inspiration was fire itself. She studied how fire moves, how it consumes everything in its path, and how it is never truly still. By observing fire, she shaped Varang's behavior, intense, controlled, and dangerously predictable. That's why Varang feels calm and terrifying at the same time. She doesn't rush, she commands. The Ash people are led by a fierce and fearless leader, also known as Manguan. When making a film set on Pandora, the reality is simple. Pandora doesn't actually exist, and neither do 9-foot-tall avatars. So to bring these characters to life, the filmmakers rely on a process called performance capture. This technology allows real actors to deliver authentic performances, which are then transformed into believable characters for the world of the film. And the performances in this movie were absolutely outstanding. Once again, James Cameron delivered a completely new cinematic experience for all of us. In fact, many viewers felt that Avatar, Fire and Ash was even better than The Way of Water. The scale, emotion, and intensity clearly raised the bar. The film was made on a massive budget of $400 million, making it one of the most expensive movies ever produced. For comparison, the second film, Avatar, The Way of Water, opened in 2022 with $134 million domestically, but Avatar, Fire and Ash went even bigger. The film earned around $257 million internationally, bringing its global opening total to $345 million. The making of this movie was not easy. Several actors suffered real injuries during the intense shooting process. At one point, an accident nearly happened on set involving Varang, played by Una Chaplin, but thankfully everything turned out fine. So that's all for this video. We'll cover more details in another one. Until then, stay tuned and thanks for watching.